Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I don't mean to start this video off on a sad note, but I want to dedicate it in memory of my Uncle J.E. who passed away in between filming this video, planning it out. After my father passed away, he helped me with numerous things. You know, if we needed to go somewhere out of town, you know, my mother couldn't drive. Of course, I was too young to drive at that time. Little things exactly like what I'm doing right here, working on the mower, lawnmower maintenance. You know, something messes up in the house, he helped me with it. And, you know, showed me a few things. And, like I said, I just want to dedicate this video to him and his memory and all the wonderful things he done for me growing up. And I couldn't think of a better video to dedicate it to. Love you, Uncle Jake. Till we meet again. As some of y'all probably already know, about a year ago, I used P.O.R. 15 to undercoat the deck of my John Deere here, and I said that I post a 1 year update. Well, I got to get the mowing. I ain't got it done this year, and today's April the 23rd, and I done it on May the 10th. So it's pretty much been a year now. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pull the deck, I'm going to hit it with the pressure washer, and we're fixing to see just how well the P.O.R. 15 held up with this lawnmower deck. Now, considering the way I mow and the mess I hit, I don't really have your expectations. No. But hey, we'll see. If there are any raw spots, I'm planning on maybe just hitting it with some paint, or not. I mean, it stays in the shop, you know. So all that'll be there is just a little bit of surface rust. That's about it. Anywho, I'm fixing to go ahead, get to work, disconnecting the deck, and we'll check it out. Alright, let's get to it. Alright now, moment of truth. Wow. I mean, I'll have to show y'all. I mean, I didn't really have good expectations. Can I talk? Alright. I didn't have the best expectations for it, but man, I ain't hit it with a pressure washer yet. I'm still going to, but I still see a little bit of black from it. Not much. Not much at all. Alright, well, hit it with the pressure washer. Maybe some of it's held where this grass is clumped. right there and there. Hit it with the pressure washer and we'll see what it looks like. But yeah, I would have thought it'd done a little bit better than that, but it is what it is. That's the area that takes a lot of abuse, but it is worth a try. Alright, well, catch my breath and hit it with the pressure washer, get a new belt on, and get this puppy mounted back up, get the mowing, because I am behind. Alright, I'll see y'all there. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead, pressure wash it, and like I said, I already have it off. I just want to see what it looks like up under all that grass and mud and mess, whatever. And after I get that, put a new belt on and slap it back on the mower. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, here's the close-up. You can see right here where plainly the P.O.R 15 has worn off. That's bare metal. But you can see in other places, like where that grass was wanting to stick to, it actually held up pretty good, but it's protected by the wet grass and gunk. So I mean, with this right here, I can't really fault it for that, being drug on the concrete and whatnot. But would I recommend using P.O.R 15 for this particular application? I'd say no. Use something that's a little bit more oil based if you want it to protect it with that. But would I use it for something like a car frame, truck frame, something like that? Actually, yeah, because in places like right down there, it's held up pretty good. In other places, you know, it's held up good, except for the stressed areas. I guess that's the proper terminology. Like right in there, it kind of took a beating, but that is what it is. I'm wondering now, would wrap the liner work better? And I'm talking about the brand name wrap to liner. I think that's what it's called, truck bed liner. I have to look into it. I might end up giving that a try. Don't know. Alright, so if you found this informative, do me a favor, hit that like. Do me a favor, if you found this here informative, drop me a like button down there, and you can dislike or rather you like, and hit the subscribe button down here. And in case you missed the first part, I'll put the that down here. These two videos here, that's kind of why I recommend y'all watching. Alright, hope y'all have a great day, and God bless.